Namaste, myself Sharu Anjirbagh from the Yoga Institute. So after a whole day's work, what one needs is good restful sleep. But do you sleep for 8 hours and still get up feeling very dull and unrested? Well, in that case, something needs to be done not about the quantity of sleep, but about the quality of sleep. So you need to observe your sleep patterns. Ask a few questions. Do you wake up frequently during the night? If yes, then it might help to reduce your water intake just before bed. Maybe you can also avoid having drinks which have caffeine or alcohol in them. This could be one of the parts of the problem. Or is it that you are surrounded by gadgets, electronic equipments which have tiny lights coming out from them? If that is the case, it might be a good idea to put them away. Maybe you want to charge your phone in another room. We need to make our environment where we sleep very comfortable, dark, and quiet. Or is it so that you don't have a regular sleeping pattern or a regular schedule? Then it helps to enjoin an activity with your act of sleeping. So what you could do is 1 hour before sleeping, firstly, give up your phone browsing, keep it away. And secondly, when you go to bed, take up a nice book to read. Maybe read from the scriptures or any nice book which is positive to read. And when we read something before going to bed, it calms our mind. It helps us to get into a good night's sleep. Besides that, when we have such regular things which we do before bedtime, the mind also starts understanding those signals. As soon as you take up a book to read, it knows that I am now preparing myself for a good night's rest. So, these small things will really help. Is it that you are very stressed or overthinking? If you have been overthinking and if you're very stressed, then it's not a good idea to go to bed with a very stressful mind. Take a while to calm yourself down. Maybe you can chant a mantra. Even journaling and writing down your thoughts in a book also helps. So you see, these are very small pointers. These are very small things. But when we apply them, they could be part of the problem. Also, an important thing to look at is what kind of food are we having and when we are having before bedtime. Meals which are excessively high in sugar intake should be avoided. One must have their food at least 3 hours before going to bed to ensure a restful sleep. So you see, these are small steps that one can take. But when we apply these little improvements, we will find that our sleep quality is improving. You will get up after 8 hours or even after 5 hours feeling very energetic and rejuvenated. Namaste.